Good morning, esteemed judges, investors, and fellow innovators. I want you to picture a student named Alex. Alex spends hours memorizing English grammar and aces every written exam. But the moment he steps into an interview and has to speak, he freezes. This is the silent crisis of mid-English, a painful barrier shared by the hundreds of millions of learners globally. My name is Chua Jiang, and alongside my team member, Chua Wei Kang, and our supervisor, Mr. Lu Wei Ho. Representing the New Era Institute, we are proud to introduce Echo Sentient, an advanced highly scalable AI acoustic analytics platform engineering to break this silence. Alex struggle exposed of massive, highly unprofitable, inefficient in the global language education market today. Unscalable human capital. One-on-one human tutoring costs upwards of RM 150 per hour. It is far too expensive for the high frequency practice required for the true fluency. The data blind spot. Independent learners have no way to quantitatively measure their own acoustic output. They rely entirely on subjective guesswork. High speaking anxiety, the psychological fear of human judgment creates mute learners. They read perfectly, but the fear of making a mistake keeps them silent. Echo Sentient completely disputes this outdated model by delivering a three-tier impact. Radical cost elimination. We replace expensive human tutors with hyper-scalable, zero marginal cost AI system. Technological feasibility at the edge. We prove that complex deep learning acoustic models can be deployed entirely within a lightweight client-side browser environment, bypassing massive cloud computing costs. Education equity. We provide an enterprise-grade learning tools that requires zero hardware investment. If a user has basic smartphone and Wi-Fi, they have a world-class speaking coach. Our primary objective was to build a bridge between high-end clinical speech therapy technology and everyday consumer language learning. We set out to transform any standard web browser into an objective, data-driven diagnostics tool. We wanted to eliminate hardware barriers, replace subjective self-doubt with highly accurate biometric feedback, and mathematically prove that real-time AI visualization drastically lowers speaking anxiety. The result is a frictionless, cloud-optimized, single-page application. In the software business, user friction kills adoption. This is why Echo Shenton requires zero download, zero installation, and zero plugins. The user simply speaks into their device, and our AI pipeline processes the audio instantly. Within 60 seconds, the system returns a comprehensive acoustic downstick report, creating a private, high-frequency loop of continuous improvement. What truly separates Echo Sentient from basic recording apps is the priority depth of our AI architecture. We are running a highly optimized four-pillar diagnosis engine. Pillar 1 is articulation analysis. We don't just use standard speak to text. Our AI extracts male frequency capture coefficient to align user audio against standard phenomenon database, detecting pronunciation errors down to the exact millisecond. Pillar 2 is emotion capture. We utilize advanced speech emotion recognition algorithms to classify pitch, tone, and vocal intensity. We literally quantify a user's speaking's confidence. Pillar 3 is voice extraction. We map the user's unique vocal biomarkers to track pitch consistency and resonance over time, creating a personalized data profile. Pillar 4 is real-time waveform. We render dynamic speech waveform, translating abstract sound waves into actionable visual UI elements. Beyond the algorithms, EcoSentient is built on robust ESG principle, which also serve as a business advantage. Environmental, by utilizing efficient kernel-side browser processing, we drastically reduce our server load. This lowers our carbon footprint and minimize our cloud hosting costs. Social, we bring world-class language education to all communities. Governance, we process vocal biometric data securely and locally, ensuring absolute user privacy without requiring vulnerable personal logins. Through this framework, we directly advance three critical UN Sustainable Development Goals: SDG 4, Quality Education; SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure; and SDG 10, Reduce Inequalities. Looking at the future value of eco-content, our focus is on sustainable, high-targeted commercialization. First, a high-margin B2B SaaS model. We will license our proprietary acoustic AI API directly to edtech giant, public school districts, and corporate HR training program. We provide them with a plug-and-play automated speech assessment engine. Second, a freemium B2C mobile app to capture retail user, upselling premium analytics, interview prep models, and AI-generated speaking curricula. Our true future values lies in our data mode. As millions of users practice on ecosystem, our AI models will become smarter at recognizing global accents and speech patterns. Language is meant to be spoken, and fluency is a high profitable metric. We are not just teaching students to speak, we are building the global infrastructure for automated spoken language assessment. Feel free to scan our QR code on the screen to experience our AI engine firsthand. Thank you, judges, for your time.